Vegas, you've been real, man. But the rules is the rules. You know, the house always wins. You'll learn that if you haven't been to Vegas yet. You will learn that. The house always wins. No matter what you do, whether you gamble or not, the house, it always wins, man. All right, Vegas, this is it. We're having our last breakfast here at the Bellagio. Then we're gonna check out and get on our flight and go back to our son. We actually miss August a lot, but we had a good time, but we miss our little baby boy. So we're about to head on home to him. We're going home, we're headed home to this little man. Look at that cuteness in the photo. That's my baby boy right there.
Without acting alone, happily slow, happily slow. Without have no soul.
It back to you. Yeah. You miss mommy and daddy? Did you get crunk with grandma and grandpa?